Hi, this is TJ from Mobileware, and this is the first of 4 video tutorials that we're going to show you how to use and abuse our newest application called Inquiry. We'll start with a quick tutorial about the home screen and how you navigate and move from list to list. There is a title bar up at the top. As you can see, it's blue. When moved up, it highlights, and that's clickable, this bump, which brings down your menu options. So from up there, you're basically going to get all of your delete, lists, questions, choices, all the different options that you can use in the application. And then once you get down into, these are what your inquiries are. Up top where the pin is, that's the title of each inquiry. And to switch between each one, you have 2 options. You can either use the trackpad like that, or you can swipe the screen. And either way, it's going to animate to your next inquiry. The options up in the menu bar are Create, which would be where you create a new one. The one that's focused right now is Sent, which are inquiries that you have sent to other people. So that's the list that we're on. The next one is Received, which is ones that have been sent to you. And then we have Public, which is public ones that you can either scan a barcode or enter the details of the person's inquiry. And then there is Invite, to invite your friends, and finally Help, which will forward you to all of our help knowledge on the application.